KEVA.io explicitly is a DeFi stage that depicts itself as the most confided in DeFi stage by monetary foundations. It for the most part offers an assortment of DeFi items including cross-chain resource trades, loaning, getting, marking and more. 1. Their dApp can explicitly be gotten to by interfacing either a ledger wallet or a trust wallet, after which clients can get to the items that KEVA offers. Here, supply reward APYs can be essentially as especially high as 85% at the hour of composing, and get reward APYs as much as 65%. 2. KEVA.io is likewise important for a fairly enormous DeFi environment that remembers probably the greatest names for the field, including Binance, Huobi, Kraken, OKX, Chainlink, Ripple and 14 others. 1. The KEVA chain really is based on the Cosmos blockchain, which considers simple interoperability. 3. And this comes at nothing unexpected thinking about KEVA's cross-chain capacities incredibly. It includes its own personal stablecoin considered USDX that clients can acquire through the KEVA protocol, which right now has more than $378 million in all-out resource value. 4, which is very critical. Hard protocol, its other item, has disseminated more than $11 million in certainly all-out profit up until this point, and its absolute resources team presently sits more than $146 million. 5. KEVA is a local token on the KEVA stage, albeit quite hard is likewise a genuinely local resource. KEVA in a real sense is the by and large specific symbolic that will be canvassed in this video below. We generally investigate KEVA and look at certain subtleties and expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2021, as well with respect to the impending a long time in a significant manner. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently for the most part are broke down by AI, they ought to never be taken as monetary counsel or be utilized as a strong reason for a speculation, and neither should this video. It is in every case strongly suggested clients do their own examination into the undertakings whose tokens they explicitly wish to put resources into. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has especially drooped half from its record-breaking most certainly high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate expansions in an unobtrusive manner. Financial backers truly are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play and consequently the auction in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters, green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a kind of neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course in a significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We sort of have seen this situation many fundamentally times in the removed and later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We by and large expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each venture. Basics that we in every practical sense, assess really are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential and a few by and large other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. KEVA is one of two local resources on the KEVA stage, and is fundamentally utilized as an administration kind of token for deciding on convention rules. Notwithstanding administration, it is likewise utilized as a proof-of-stake marking resource, which as per the site, guarantees the irrevocability and well-being of credits on the convention and furthermore goes about as the money lender of most certainly final hotel in really certain situations. 3. KEVA in every practical sense, was in a real sense helped to establish by CEO Brian Kerr, Rory O'Donnell and Scott Stewart, which is very huge. Brian's schooling lies in business organization and in a real sense has beforehand basically filled in as a consultant for kind of a few blockchain and crypto projects. Rory is a MSc Physics graduate and has insight as an architect and information examiner. In conclusion, Scott is in every practical sense, previous sort of expert poker player, and is as of now filling in as an item chief at KEVA Labs, the parent organization behind KEVA. 6. The remainder of the group is, as per the organization, contained individuals from different foundations and abilities united with the energy for building new and by and large open monetary framework, with the expectation that their endeavors truly make certainly genuine and enduring change in the world. 7. Their primary Twitter at KEVA_Labs has more than 126,000 devotees, and is somewhat dynamic, tweeting a few times each day in a significant manner. The tweets are generally applicable to their works and truly incorporate updates, instructional exercises and occasions. The record doesn't overhype the truly token or task, nor does it guarantee future editions, which really are positive signs, which is genuinely huge. Our forecast model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2022. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022. 2022 October minus 20.91% $1.37. 2022 November minus 39.40% $1.05. 2022 December minus 26.42% $1.27. 2023 January minus 21.97% $1.35. 2023 February, which is very huge, minus 18.86% $1.40. 2023 March minus 7.19% $1.60. 2023 April, in spite of prevalent thinking, minus 3.10% $1.67. 2023 May, minus 4.97% $1.64. 2023 June, in spite of prevalent thinking, plus 7.48% $1.86. 2023 July plus 5.14% $1.82. 2023 August plus 10.04% $1.90. 2023 September plus 21.20% $2.09. KEVA price prediction 2025 to 2030, 2040, or so they basically thought. Our expectation model sees KEVA arriving at new highs in 2025, $3.42. KEVA cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be several significant degrees higher than our 2025 expectation. DeFi is persistently developing and seeing more extensive reception, nonetheless, with the most recent debate encompassing an inadequately